If you find yourself constantly getting distracted, addicted to social media, hear me out on this. You want to spend a few uninterrupted hours with your child, but you keep anxiously checking your email to see if your boss is messaging you. You want to set up a business, but your life dissolves instead into a blur of Facebook posts that only make you feel envious and anxious. Through no fault of your own, there never seems to be enough stillness, enough cool, clear space for you to stop and think. We are constantly distracted. We are being bombarded with information all the time. Notifications, hearts, comments, Facebook posts, X, Amazon, buy this, go here, do that. We are plugged into a system that feeds off of our attention instead of giving our life our attention, our goals, our dreams, our visions. We are allowing a system to control us, and instead we are not living life.